You want to see that? The seeds everywhere, child. I done ordered up a farm. Hello, and welcome to the Providing Resources for Emergency Preparedness YouTube channel. I am so grateful you have decided to click on my Action Task 9, How Does Your Garden Grow thumbnail. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the Prep channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so you are notified each and every time I upload a new YouTube video. Action Task 9, How Does Your Garden Grow, is the 9th action task in 11. One day I sat down at my kitchen table and I made a list of all the areas I needed to work on to get my family ready for any emergency. These action tasks are the result. As we have learned in the past 2 years, life happens, and I am so glad I have my action tasks to keep me motivated to prep. In this video, I'm excited to start my 2022 garden plans. We are in the middle of a house move, so we have a lot of work ahead of us to get our garden planned, built, and seeded by the spring of 2022. Good morning, y'all. It's early Sunday morning, and my boxes came in yesterday. And look, y'all, I'm so excited. I got some of my seeds in. I got another big bag on the side. But look, y'all, I'm so excited about this order coming in. I got some of my seeds in. Let's see here. I got some arugula, of course, and artichokes. Let's see what else I got in here. Got some corn. So I got a bunch of different stuff in here. Got peas, squashes, lots of squashes, more squashes. These are all vegetables and herbs. I got some cow peas, but black people, we know those are black-eyed peas. Those are black-eyed peas, but the garden industry, they call them cow peas. Got cucumbers. Let's see what else we got here. Chives. I got a bunch of herbs. So that's that order. Had a bunch in here. Melons. I got watermelons. Parsley. I'm gonna do a haul video for the prep channel. Onions, of course. Spinach. We're gonna eat good, y'all. And the reason I got leeks. Anybody who watch my working man beef stew video, you know that I cook with a lot of leeks. I think I ordered 2 different types of leeks too. But the reason I like Seed Saver is because they sell organic and true to type. And then they're always open pollinated and non-GMO. So yeah, I'm excited. I got my seeds in. So I'm nerdy like that if y'all don't know. You know, I've been away from family a long time and folks don't know me no more. But, and I don't know y'all either. But, yeah, I love the garden. Lord, I'm tired. So I got broccoli in. And that's that order. So let me reach over here and grab this other order. Okay. Look at that big old bag of seeds. That's too much. Let me open it. I'm gonna put y'all down for a second. So y'all just got to bear with me. I'm trying to get it open, y'all. I'm gonna try to look at the button. That's what I can get it open. I think it's open. Let's see here. Okay, I almost opened it now. Sorry about the flashing. Okay. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Hold on a second. So, let me get the thing out of here. The chicken thing, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for here. I'm trying to do this with one hand, y'all, and hold the phone at the same time. So look at all these seeds. Let me just dump them out. You see that? There's seeds everywhere, child. I done ordered up a farm. Look at my pumpkins. Pumpkins. Let's see here. I got more beans. Watermelon. That watermelon look good just on the package. Oh, Lord. Kale. Collard. You know, I love me some collard, y'all. Basil. So much. I gotta get these organized. I just done dumped them out. Let's see what else we got here. Melons. More melons. I ordered a lot of melons. Different variety types. Tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes. And it's still a ton of seeds. Some Roma beans. Of course, carrots. I got 2 different types of carrots. I got 3 different types of carrots. I think I got these Imperator carrots, these Denver carrots, and then I think I got these Scarlet carrots too. So I got like many varieties of carrots. You should eat the colors, y'all, if y'all don't know that. I got hyssop. That's biblical, y'all. Y'all don't know about that hyssop. That's biblical. Alright. But it's a good garden. It brings in the beneficial beads. I got caraway seeds. So, parsley. I got so much stuff under here, y'all. What's at the bottom right here? More pumpkins, peppers, watermelons. So I'm gonna do a haul on the YouTube channel, on the Prep YouTube channel, y'all. And I'm gonna pour my coffee. It's brewing. Let's see what we got down here. We got some of that Minnesota Magic cantaloupe. What else we got? We got more lettuce. More melon. I got several types of melons, y'all. Oh Lord, I gotta get these in order. But I'm still waiting on a couple more seed orders. Because you have to go to different places. Because one, there's a seed shortage. And I didn't really know that there was a seed shortage. And then there's so much I'm gonna get just to have in my little home gardening seed bank. Let's see what else I got down here. More melons. These are all different varieties too, y'all. Cucumbers. See, different cucumbers. So these are Space Master 80s. And these are Market More 76. So, and these are Ashley cucumbers. So yeah, so I can't wait till the 2022 garden season. I won't be planting anything this year, but what I like to do is order my seeds and then I'll plant out my beds. But with us moving, we have to do all new beds. We have to do all new fencing because of the pest pressures. If you ever garden, you know, the squirrels, the rabbits, the raccoons, Minnesota gophers, deer, everything eat your garden before you do. So you got to take precautions. So we got to get all that in place before we put any seeds in the ground, because all we going to do is provide a buffet for the animals. And I want my food. I ain't sharing nothing with nature. I'm stingy. Okay. Well, I'm going to end the video right here. And I will talk to y'all later. It's time to get some coffee and get all these seeds up. But if you're interested in seeing this, stay tuned for the seed haul video. I'll probably film it in a couple of days after I get the rest of my seeds in. It's going to be long because I'm buying a lot of seeds. And I will talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye. In just these 2 boxes, I ordered 230 seed packets, resulting in 115 heirloom vegetables and herb varieties. I expect more seed orders in the mail soon, so make sure you stay connected for the full haul video.